I'm tired. You tired, Dana? You tired? No, he's eating ice cream. To walk, mommy. Say hi. Mommy's tired. This is a Montemariago. Door inside the head. Pupunta kami doon sa tuktok.
Dad, it's yummy.
It's yummy? Dana, are you okay, Dana?
Yeah, fine.
Fine, are you sure? Okay lang sa kanya, basta may ice cream siyang dala.
Magandang araw po. Sa mga gusto pong umakyat sa kamay ni Mama Mary, sa loob lang.
I'm here na. Going to the elevator. Okay. Okay. Woo! Waiting to my flight. Dana, you like it? I'm here na. I'm going to na for 17th floor. Say hi, Dana. Dana, say hi. Woo! Good. Good, Dana. This is the head of Montemaria. Guys, it's ice cream. Look at that, baby. Hold it. Ay, don't worry. Mami, say hi. This is my date. No date na February 14. Dana, kami guys. Alat? Smile.
Dad, look at me eating. Dad, look at me brush my teeth.
Yeah, you will sit. Okay. Kami na ba?
Daddy, my teeth is straight. Dad, look my teeth.
Yes.
Granny.
Bye-bye. Mas, ganda ng view, guys, oh. Lahat ng gustong pumunta rito, PM nyo na ako, dadalhin ko kayo dito. Always ready my car. Ito na. Ito, simba tayo dito mamaya kami, oh.
Pasok na lang tayo.
Yes. Tingnan, ano ka na doon? Mami.
Sir, 4 5 pesos old coin.
You want telescope, Mami? 5 pesos
Sa mga
lang.
gusto pong bumili ng pasalubong,
Okay.
meron din pong tinda sa loob.
Come here. Let's go.
Thank you and enjoy.
Daddy.
Uwi
Paalala
na
lang
kami.
po, bawal pong
Picture ko
magkalat o
kayong dalawa
magtapon
nga
ng basura